Hello, everybody. This is the War Gaming Guy. Welcome back to Sandstorm, DLC from Order of Battle World War II. And this is going to be Malta, the long-awaited Malta. And not only that, my friends, but this is going to be my second shot at Malta. I actually did, and I still have it sitting on my hard drive, a half-hour video of my first attempt at this, which I totally muddled, mucked up, messed up. So I'm starting over again, doing a little research on how this kind of works, and once I figured out a few things thanks to Paradog and some other people on YouTube, then hey, I think I know how to do this now. So here we go. Because I will just say this historically, Operation Hercules historically and what you're about to see were two very different things in terms of how they were carried out. Operation Hercules was to feature both Italian and German paratroopers, Fallschirmjäger and Italian paratroopers, and on this one you're only getting German. So, you know, they have to tweak it to make it work, which is fine, but it just kind of totally threw me off. I'm still learning how to read the victory conditions in this game. If you read them correctly, they sort of tell you how to play a scenario. If you don't, well then, you know, you kind of messed up, which happens to me a lot. Okay. Operation Hercules, code name for the invasion of Malta, has been meticulously planned. The first wave of attack will consist of an airborne invasion. Our Fallschirmjäger will seize control of vital supply dumps and airfields on the island. They've also been tasked to eliminate the bulk of the enemy's coastal gun batteries. This will allow the second attack wave to hit Malta in a seaborne invasion. There are three possible directions from which this naval assault can be conducted. Warships and supply ships from the Italian Regia Marina will play a vital role in supporting our ground troops on the island. Finally, the Luftwaffe will permit the deployment of air units on Malta as soon as we have secured some of the airfields. British naval and air presence can be expected to increase once they realize this operation is not a feint. All right, so here we go. Got to capture the primary objectives, which are Valletta. I guess that's how you say that. Medina and maybe Rabat, whichever one that is. I think that's actually Rabat. And St. Paul's Bay. So those are the three places we've got to capture. Along the way, we have to establish an air base in 7 turns. There are 3 air bases. Our paratroopers must seize at least one airfield and then hold it until it's fully under our control, which takes 3 turns, I believe. Each airfield with an operational supply output will allow the deployment of additional air units to Thari. So there's that. Then we've got to destroy 2 coastal guns. You obviously know what those are. Sink 4 ships. This is the interesting one. Establish all air bases in 7 turns. If you do that, then we will see the permanent transfer of 2 seasons Fallschirmjägers to the Afrika Korps. They will show up, and we can use them here. And believe me, you're going to need them. So here's the dealio. And this will be the big change from the way I played this originally, is we're going to split up into 3, and we're going to send 2 planes to each airfield, hoping that we can seize them and hold them. Once we do that, we're going to try and take out maybe these 2, or maybe these 2 coastal guns, because once we knock 2 out, then the invasion begins, and we'll just invade here and roll up the island. That's the plan, Stan. So let's go. Now, your paratrooper units don't always land exactly where you want them to. They can drift 1 hex, so no telling exactly where all these guys will end up, but we'll see. And if you move the plane, they cannot drop that turn. So let's put them there. That's it for the first turn. No fighters, no nothing. A little strange, but... And here we go. Malta has some biplanes on it, fighters, to defend it. So let's go ahead and see what we can do. I want them on the airfield if possible. No. Missed. Okay, so in that case, maybe I can get them at least close to the airfield. Yes. Okay, let's see if we can get you on the airfield. Yes! Bam! Took the airfield. In that case, we'll just put you right there. And we missed. My Fallschirmjägers having a little trouble hitting their targets, but that's, oops, okay. As long as we can get it in one turn, yeah, we're good. All right, so, and here we go. They're going to strafe us. Now what we're going to do here is just dig in and hold. If you've ever seen The Longest Day movie, then you know the line. Oops. Ooh. Okay, that's a bad one. You know the line. Hold until relieved. Hold until relieved. Okay, so he's going there. He's going there. He's got that. So notice they're starting to dig in, but I want to dig in on an objective. And then you are going to come here. All right, so now we've got all three airfields. We got to hold them now for 3 turns. It's turn 3, so on turn 6, they should all be up to snuff. And then we should get those extra units. We might get the fighters sooner. In fact, I got to reinforce these guys. Okay, so first of all, okay, they're all right. They're okay. This guy needs to be reinforced. Can I deploy my air? If I can, I think I'll put it. Let's see if I can do that. Oops. Whoops. Not yet. Okay, that's what I thought, but never hurts to check. You know what I mean? Okay, here comes the strafing attacks, which are kind of what they do. Meanwhile, the forces on Malta, ooh, he's running away, are completely disorganized. They should be attacking, and they're not. And that's their loss. So everybody's out. And I can't. Oh, I can. I can do this one, not any others. All right. It's only 3. Oh, crap. That was... Can I take him off? Is there any way I can switch him with anything? How come all these planes are... Look at all my units, man. They're all trashed. I forgot. Ugh. Can I... Wait. I can't do anything about it. Oh, well, I may just lose this plane. Let's find out. Okay, the British are moving around a little bit. Here they come. I may lose this guy. How do you survive that one all right? You survived that one all right. Can I land him? Is the... Yes, here's my Fallschirmjägers. All right, we're going to bring them straight down. Get them where we need them. By the way, if I can command a unit with this guy, let's command this one. That might help a little. Okay, you need to get down here and land. And he can't land with me. Not what I wanted you to do. So I'm going to have to move this guy. Don't like doing that, but we'll put him up here. This guy needs to get on there. Can he land with him over the airfield? I don't even know. I guess we'll find out. All right, now, let's see if I can do this properly without destroying. See, now I can't. It won't let me reinforce him. Do I not have the... That's really weird. This I can reinforce. All right. Oh, that's because that's already on the, yeah, that's on the map already. Let's wait on that. But I think, don't I have, is the Breda fighter? I think the Fulgari is a fighter, so let's put you down there. There we go. That might help a little. Drive that fighter off. So, oh, he's running. That's it. Uh-oh. They're coming at me, and I've not dug in. And they're oh boy. See, I may have totally messed up here. Ouch. Somebody's hitting me. Not sure who. All right. First of all, you land. You. Let's get this guy. You. Let's come down here and see what's going on. Oh, I missed him. And did I deploy? I did. So let's see if we can just wipe this guy out. Almost. Now let's spank this guy hard. Push him back. Let's reinforce you. You guys can stay right where you are. You can stay right where you are. Where's... There. Did I miss moving these guys last turn? I'll bet I did. That was stupid. Let's see. Okay, this guy I can get, but before I... Well, actually, let's go ahead and put him up. So now where... Let's get my Stuka. Do I have enough Stukas? So I can start picking on the things I need to get rid of. Let's... Ooh, man, we're low. We're low. Let's see. Okay. Yes, I'm sure. Okay. Uh-oh. He's going to try and kill my guy. Missed. Going to die this turn, buddy. Okay, so they're heavy infantry. Ah, okay. Oh, they're pushing on this one. Okay, so they're a little more aggressive here than I thought they might be. But I have a Stuka, and I will use it. Let's go ahead and... There. That ought to keep them humble for a while. Let's see if we can get rid of these guys. Speaking of getting rid, he can't. He's a ground attack. Yeah, all right. Well, we'll put you over here where you can do some good. What about you? Can you come back and get rid of this guy? Yes. Hate to miss my opportunity, but it's the way it's going to have to be. All right. Oh, don't forget. I want these guys down here so we can start the master plan. The brilliant strategery that I hope will not end up with me dying. Here, kill this guy. Boom. All right, they're gone. I like it. Okay, so now we have got to get rid of 2 shore guns, and that will trigger the ground forces coming in, which, of course, obviously is what we really, really need. Let's see, I already moved you. So we'll just... So there's an exit hex, or maybe a carrier out here? Oh, boy, look at him. Bonsai. That's exactly what I was afraid of. They just killed my plane. Grr! And they took the airfield. Crap! That messes my timetable up completely. I am screwed. I am really in trouble now. And now all of a sudden, man, the AI's getting super aggressive. Yeah, that's not good news either, but I've got bigger fish to fry, so... Okay, I'm really in bad shape now. Okay, you have to die right now. All right, how about if we just kill this guy, maybe? Good. Get him out of there. I'm going to let you continue to work on this. And you don't really have any other fighters to... Got him! Beautiful. So, somewhere out in here might be something. Let's see. These guys really... Well, can't hurt, right? I'll strafe them. The heck. So, I got my airfield back, but that messed me... Jeez. These guys are like suicidal. Okay, good. They're backing off again. That's what I want. Don't... Uh-oh. Not for long, they're not. Crap. Well, these guys are dug in, so I'm not too worried about them. Look at that. 5-1. That's pretty good casualty exchange. I'll do that. But it's down here where I need them the most. This is the thing. This is the whole key to everything I'm doing. Let's see if we can kill this guy. Did we? No, of course not. He's gone. All right. So now I've got 5 turns. The question is, I don't know where I'm going. I don't see anything out here. So why are they coming out here? It's kind of weird. Oh. Yes. Okay, now... Let's... These guys down here. And we'll drop them next turn and start making some progress. Here they come. Holy cow, are you sure these aren't Japanese units that you brought in from the Pacific to defend Malta? What is up with this? Boom! Look at that. It's a bomber. Okay, that's fine. I don't care about the bombers. We got fighters to kill bombers with. Let's go have some fun. do much. Oh! And they didn't land where I wanted them to, but I don't care. Kill. Kill him. Kill him dead. All right. Really? That's all the further... Oh, because... Well... All right. How many turns do I have left on this guy? I don't see anything, so there's got to be something there, but I have no idea what it might be. Let's kill you. Come on, kill them. Don't just push them back. Kill them. That's one. Nope, didn't do it. And what about over here? Oh, yeah. All right. Man, they are persistent. Probably not going to hurt me much, but okay. So, oh I thought that was my bomber. Doggone it! Now I can't attack him. Ah! All right, here, get over here and attack this. And let's see what that is. That's a gunboat. Okay, fine. We'll put the Stuka on it. I want to push up here. You're going to come down here. Next turn it falls. Might get lucky. All right, you got to come home. I don't know what's out there, but I guess I won't find it now. Oh, no. Cancel. Thank you. We want you to kill this guy and stop his annoying little attacks. Hey, and he did. All right, let's get you back up to snuff. Let's see if you can do that to him. And there we go. Right. Here we go. They just want to die so bad they can't stand it. Not going to help me much. I'm still standing. All right. So now let's just get this over with. Boom, he's gone. So let's take this port. Now we have a port. That's always helpful. Got 2 turns, so we can take 1 shot at this guy. And let's... Next turn, we should wipe that out. That will trigger naval reinforcements. And here, let's just oblige this guy and stay dug in. All right. Well, they keep on trying, don't they? Yes, they do. think you'll push up here. Let's see what's up here. Oh, we do have somebody. Let's not attack them. Instead, let's see if we can polish this guy off. Sea Strike. Yes. And why not weaken him? Cool. All right, Sea Strike time. Hold on. Heavy infantry. Oh, don't forget to see. I can't. Why can't I reinforce them? I don't understand. It's like, okay, these guys I can. I want my Panzer IV. It's at 5, so he's got to be reinforced. And I can't put him anywhere. Great. Him I can. I don't get why some I can and some I can't. I'm totally confused here, people. Okay, let's see. We can with the Italians. Bersalaghi. They're good because they're fast. These tanks aren't worth much, but then again, I don't think they're going to be up against that much. So I don't have to worry too much about that, maybe. This tank, let's see, is that it? What have I got? Whoa. Oh, supply ships. Yeah, you need supply ships, bud. You need some supply ships. A lot of them to supply all this, so. And destroyers. Now I can't put them anywhere. Ah, come on. Seriously, I got to wait for my destroyers? I could put them over here, but they're really not going to help me over there, so we'll have to wait. That was a little kind of a bad plan, but oh well. All right, so what have I got here? All right, my Fallschirmjägers got to start moving. I don't have enough points to upgrade you, so you're just going to have to sit there. I think we can probably afford to start pushing up here. So let's see what we got. Beautiful. So we're getting close to linking these two little airheads up. Airhead is, by the way, I'm not saying they're stupid. They're not beachheads, they're airheads. I'm sure you knew that, but I just wanted to tell you. Okay. Oh. All right. I think that'll do it. And I'm just going to go ahead and wrap up this video here for the beginning of the invasion of Malta. We're doing okay. I'm making a lot of really stupid little mistakes, but hopefully that won't come back to haunt me. Turn 14 of 45 turns, so I have time, but I have a long way to go because I got to get up here and capture this. Got to capture that, which isn't too bad, and then you got to come all the way up here to St. Paul's Bay and grab this boy. So we got our work cut out for us, guys, but it's not doing too bad for starters. So until next time, this is the Wargaming Guy saying thanks for watching. Come on back and join us for the next edition of this. And until then, take care, everybody. And I will see you later.